Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an E.L.F. haul. I haven't done one in a while. Last time I ordered from E.L.F. I think was in December maybe. I love E.L.F. They're super affordable. When I placed my order and it got here, I was actually missing two things. And I gotta say, the E.L.F. customer service was so on point, you guys. I got my stuff on a Saturday. They shipped out the two products I was missing on Monday. They literally emailed me back like that Monday, shipped it out that Monday, and my stuff got here about a week later, which was freaking awesome. That's one thing I love about companies, when their customer service is amazing. So I just gotta say that, wanted to throw that out there. Like, their customer service was awesome. So I have my box right here pretty much. It's already opened. And I'm gonna share with you guys everything that I picked up this time around. So if you guys are curious in the products I picked up, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright you guys, I'm so excited to get into this. I've been wanting to use some of these products, but I wanted to wait until I hauled it for you guys. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys is actually this Beauty Shield. I think that's the line. They have like a bunch of skincare stuff, and it's the E.L.F. Beauty Shield line, I guess. This is the Recharging Magnetic Mask Kit. I got this for, I believe it was $24.99. It's actually kind of pricey in my opinion, but I had seen a few people use this on Instagram and on YouTube, and it was just really appealing to me. The funny thing is, about a week and a half after I purchased this, I saw a similar mask at Walmart for like 15 bucks or so. I think it was a little bit under, but I was like, whatever, I already ordered this one, and I love E.L.F. anyways. I haven't really tried a lot of their skincare. I'm very curious to give this a try. Let me know down below if you guys would be interested in me doing like a first impression type of video, or if you guys just want me to review it, then just let me know down below. I ended up picking up two of the Recharging Magnetic Mask refills, and that's what these look like. These were actually on sale for $5 each. I believe it was $5, maybe it was $4, but I will link everything down below for you guys. I thought that was pretty cool that they offered these, because I just figured you would have to like repurchase the whole thing. I didn't even know they came with refills, so that's really, really cool. And now I'll be stocked up. The next thing I picked up is this Hydrating Water Essence, and that's what that looks like. The only other essence water that I have is my toner essence from Miniso, which I really love. So I'm hoping that I like this one because it does say Hydrating Water Essence. I have dry skin, and I'm all about that life. I got a lot of this stuff actually on sale. I believe this was on sale as well. Every time I shop online with E.L.F., I always like to go to their sales section because they have amazing sales. I had to pick myself up another lip plumping gloss. I actually am totally obsessed with my Champagne Glow, I believe is what it's called. I just talked about it in my June favorites, but this one is in Peach Bellini. It just looks like a beautiful milky nude. So I can't wait to test this one out. One of the products I was actually missing was this glitter primer, you guys. I have been wanting to try this E.L.F. glitter primer for years. Like, no joke, it's been years and I can never find it. And every time I shop online on their website, it's always sold out, like every single time. I'm not even kidding. So finally, I have this to test it out. I believe this was only like $2. Sorry if my fingers are all stained from my lipstick, by the way. I just noticed that. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. The only other glitter primer I own is from NYX, and I really like it. But I've just been wanting to try this one for years, and since it was actually in stock, I had to pick it up. It was just one of those things. And the other item that I was missing was this cute little makeup bag. You guys, I actually picked this up for a giveaway that I'm going to be doing very, very soon. I'll take it out of this little bag really quick so you guys can see it better. But it's just this really pretty, like, faux leather gold type of little bag. This will be great for traveling. And I just wanted to throw this in the giveaway that I'm going to be doing. It's really cute. Like, I almost want to keep it. But I did buy this for the giveaway, so I am going to be giving it away. So So stay tuned for that, you guys. If you're not subscribed, make sure you are subscribed so you guys will be able to enter once I do it. And then they always do, if you spend $25, like normally you get a gift or something like that. And I actually ended up getting a Ravishing Rose lipstick, baked highlighter, and the Sculpting Silk eyeshadow. So I'm not going to take these out of the packaging because I just figured I can go ahead and give these 3 away in the giveaway as well. So that was really cool. And that's it. I know it's not a big haul, but I did want to share it with you guys. I'm super excited to play with both of these. Like, I've never really tried their skincare. The only product that I can think of is their eye cream, which I actually really like. And I don't think I've tried any other skincare. But I've tried a lot of their other products, and like I said at the beginning, I love E.L.F. They're super affordable, and their customer service seriously made me love them even more. But that's it. I know it was a small haul, but I hope you guys still enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you guys will get notified, since YouTube wants to be weird and not notify people sometimes. And that's it, you guys. I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.